Hello, Juan Grino, Slide's outside technical rep. I have been with Slide for over 22 years and have been in the plastics arena pretty much my entire life. When I was 15, my father introduced me to high-speed rotary injection processing and injection molding, and I have been in the plastics industry ever since. My experience consists of working on machines, running processing production, with a degree from Indiana University in environmental and industrial safety. I am well equipped to deal with the chemical and environmental issues we face in the plastics industry. I am blessed with 5 kids, 24-year-old triplets, which consist of 2 girls and 1 boy, as well as 2 other daughters, 15 and 18. My wife of 27 years is really the one who has been there to give me the support during our journey. I'm also truly fortunate to work with such a great distribution network. It supports the sales of Slide products as well as the greatest manufacturing processing in the world. I am here to be part of your team and help solve any tooling and processing issues you may have. Give Slide a call and let us show you what 70 years in the plastics industry can do for you.